What I've got for you today is a universal chain pole saw by Bosch. This is the 18 volt version and this cost around £150. It comes with a small amount of oil, but you'll need another can for that to refill. The user manual, but it's pretty basic to operate, but I recommend reading it first. It comes with a battery charger, which can be quite expensive these on their own, so make sure this does come with the charger if you haven't got one, and of course the battery. The battery lasts over an hour, depending how much you're going to use within that hour. Sometimes I got an hour and a half out of it to 2 hours. So this is the handle end with the trigger to operate, and a nice strap that it comes with. Feels solid. And this pole attaches to the other pole, so you can extend it. I believe it's around about 2 meters, but I'd have to check. Check yourself. It comes with an Allen key to make some adjustments, and of course a button that will make it at an angle if you need to, and that's the reservoir there for the oil. I'll give you a demonstration shortly and you can see how it operates. Here are some conifers I'm going to be reducing the height on, which is a big job. All in all, the pole saw is quite well built and it worked well for the job that I had. If you have a bigger job or bigger trees, I'd recommend something more powerful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you didn't, give us a dislike. Thanks.